There are different types of portable electric stoves available on the market. Each product comes with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. Making the right decision takes a lot of your valuable time. I did extensive analysis and read lots of reviews and articles to make a list of the best 5 portable electric stoves from famous brands. That may help you make the right decision. Let's watch the video. Welcome to Best Get. We review kitchen and dining products. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for daily updates. Number 1. Isiler 18-watt Portable Induction Cooktop. Isiler induction stove has a lightweight and compact design with a depth of 6 centimeters, making it so easy to transport and store. It has 19 levels of power, increasing the range from 100 watt to 18 watt. It offers 17 adjustable temperature levels between 140 degF to 460 degF, with large sensitive buttons for enhanced usage. For a well-balanced and uniform heat all around the surface, Isiler features a stove surface that is wide, with a diameter of 6.7 inches. So, it will fit your frying pans with a measure of 9 to 8 inches in diameters. For extreme protection, it options an overheat protection child lock with curved edges. It has a plus and button for setting the timer with one press for 10 minutes up to 3 hours long. Worry less about cleaning and maintenance, as the camping stove features a premium surface that is wear-resistant and easy to clean. Number 2. Cusimax Hot Plate Electric Burner 15-watt with adjustable temperature control. Cusimax electric stove has a small and lightweight design, making it suitable for storing in limited spaces, as offices, boats, and RVs. It offers 7 levels of adjustable heat temperature equipped with a hot plate of 7 inches in diameter. You can use pots up to 7.4 inches. For your safety, Cusimax is safe and does not release any harmful radiation. It can be used with aluminum, copper, or cast iron frying pots. These stove features black durable stainless steel that can withstand extensive use, and a powerful 15-watt heating cast single iron burner that cooks food fast and evenly. It includes a heating light that turns on and off during cooking with an auto shut. This light is normal and indicates the correct heat temperature achieved. For a safe cooking process, it has a thermal fuse for overheat protection. So, when it reaches overheating temperature, it will turn off automatically for a couple of seconds to avoid any hazard. Cleanup and maintenance of this unit are a breeze. It only needs to be wiped with a wet cloth. You will also love the non-slip feet that keep the unit stay in place firmly. Number 3. Ovente Electric Single Infrared Burner BGI 101S. Ovente features a tough and beautiful countertop stove that is made of durable, shiny stainless steel, and the tempered glass ensures infrared unit power and great performance. For a simple electric top for heating food quickly and evenly without missing any spot on the heating surface. The unit offers a 12V-amp electric burner with infrared technology and an innovative design. This countertop burner can be used with any cookware. However, it is best to use flat cookware within the size of 7 inches in diameter. Over time, infrared adds some classiness to any kitchen countertop with its stainless steel flat frame and silky crystal glass top. It has a slim and light body weighing 2.4 pounds, making it perfect for kitchenettes and camping trips, with a 1-year guarantee for USA residents for replacements and repairs. Number 4. Cuisinart Cast Iron Single Plate Stoves. Cuisinart portable stove features an elegant and compact size design, with the healing power of 13 watts and 6 temperature settings. It offers a premium brushed stainless steel cast iron coat, with a flexible and even temperature control from low to highest heat settings, which guarantees you'll have perfectly cooked meals every time. This burner heats the entire heating surface, and not limited to certain temperature adjustments, giving you total control over the temperature. If you are looking for a cast iron burner that is suitable for warming on your boat or dorm rooms at an affordable price, this unit is a good choice to make. Get a versatile tool with an adjustable thermostat that lights with auto shut-on when ready to use, and features non-slip feet for firm placing when operating. This single burner is heavy-duty that requires minimal cleaning by just wiping the surface with a wet cloth. Number 5. Sanuvo Hot Plate for Cooking Portable Electric Single Burner 15-watt. Sanuvo single plate stove has a compact and modern design, offering heating power levels of 15 watt and electricity with 6 levels of accurate heating control. For more longevity, stability, and speed, the cooking time has a distinguished heating tube system that enhances heating efficiency by 20% than traditional coil heaters. For more protection while cooking, Sanuvo countertop burner features an anti-rust stainless body. You will love to note that this stove is certified with ETL, which operates stoves for 3 or 4 times to get rid of vapors that are released when using for the first time. Thanks for watching. If you need more information, feel free to visit the link in the description box or the comments below. If this information helps you make the right decision, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. That's encouraged me to create more.